one I study true. You don't know if I got a gun. It's fun from the X side of things, but getting some my rings. Everything I want, I get, but I being it's mine. I shine like money that sound like Biggie. Fuck around my town, boogie down my city. Come around, get pound to the ground, no pity. Watch the sound, 4 pound, 20 round milli. Get smacked silly for coming out your mug. I'm known for bouncing thugs from the tunnel to the salsa clubs. Don't matter, put the chrome to your bladder, splatter your abs. Have you pissing in the plastic bag? That's a drag, now you abnormal. But make me grab the rumble and put some motherfucking stabs on you. The night is young and I'm already fighting, hiding my gun, promoting bugging, screaming, who the fuck invited Pun?
Pronto llegará el día de mi suerte, te lo juro por mi gente, te juro que un día llegará. And we won't stop, we always knew we'd make it. Even though you play it, we still made it to the top.
From San Juan to Bayamon, I'm the Don Juan beside the dawn. Live long, get your party on. Don't let the liquor fool you, cause I'll stick it to you. Something sharp to the heart, or something big to move you. The desert or the shoddy, whatever, you the body that chose to be the dumb nigga at the party. Too much Bacardi, started speaking dumb. Then you try to snuff Joe, must have been Puerto Rican rum. That's the hardcore, to use a sophomore. Takes years to earn a pair of Terror Squad balls. So get lost and take one, bones I break them, pigs I bacon. So get fried if they come. You see that? I'm like G-Rap, Pac, Master P, all balled up with a twist of Mark Anthony. Recognize me, I'm the one cocking the auto. Tony Sunshine, please, canten el coro.
Pronto llegará el día de mi suerte.